Here's exactly how to watch the Conjuring universe in chronological order. The first movie you need to watch in the timeline is the original Nun. This is going to be painful. The first time we saw Valak, we were like, okay, she's pretty scary. Then they made their own movie about her and we were like, yeah, she's not one of those ones. That movie takes place in 1952. We then jump to one of my favorite movies in the Conjuring franchise, Annabelle Creations, where we see the backstory and learn everything about Annabelle. The barn scene definitely had me stressed. That movie taking place 3 years after the original Nun. We then jump over to The Nun 2, which as you guys know, once again was full of jump scares and not scary whatsoever. People just don't like Valak. Dead the series. That movie taking place in 1956, 1 year after Annabelle Creations. We then jump over to a pretty decent movie in the Conjuring franchise, the original Annabelle. Something about haunted dolls and me just don't mix. They are scary. But that movie taking place in 1967. We then jump over to arguably the best movie in the whole entire Conjuring universe, the original Conjuring. I know I'm not the only one that gets absolutely terrified going in the basement, thinking something's gonna clap behind my ears. Pause. With that movie taking place in 1971. We then have Annabelle Comes Home. They just don't get running characters into the mud, because that's exactly what they did with this movie. This was not it. We don't need so many Annabelle movies. We know she's scary. Taking place in 1972. We then have a movie that has nothing to do with the universe whatsoever, which I always mispronounce and everybody makes fun of me, but yeah, this wasn't it. Taking place in 1973. We then jump over to The Conjuring 2, which at first had me walk out of the theater because it was so corny, but years later rewatching it, it is pretty good. Taking place in 1977. And then we have The Conjuring: The Last Rites. Yeah, enough said.